Hello students, welcome on my YouTube channel SK Mr. Chemistry classes. In previous videos, we have learned about methods to represent concentration as like molality, normality, mole fraction, volume percentage and mass percentage, and also in terms of ppm, parts per million. Now today's we are starting numericals which are based on the concentration of solution. Now if you have not subscribed my channel, now subscribe my channel for latest notification and share to other friends also. Now we started. First numerical is, a sugar syrup of weight 214.2 gram contains 34.2 gram of sugar. Calculate molar concentration, and second one is mole fraction of sugar in syrup. Very easy question. So first of all we write which is given in this questions numerical data. So numerical data, weight of sugar syrup, that is weight of solution is 214.2 gram. Weight of sugar in syrup 34.2 gram, that is weight of solute. Weight of solution equal to 214.2 gram and weight of solute, that is sugar in solution, is 34.2 gram. We know molality equal to, definition of molality, number of moles of solute which are present in 1 kilogram or 1000 gram of solution is known as a molality. Now from formula, molality equal to number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent, or we can write it N equal to weight of solute divided by molar weight of solute into capital W and numerator divided by 1000 if W in terms of in gram. So now molality, molar weight of sucrose, that is molecular weight. Molecular weight of sucrose is formula of molecular formula of sucrose C12H22O11. Okay. Now weight of carbon atoms 12 into 12 plus weight of one hydrogen atom is 1, 22 into 1 plus 6, 11 into 16. Now on addition we have got 342. Now molecular weight of sucrose is 342. Okay. Now weight of solute equal to 34.2, weight of solution equal to, in given also question, 214.2. now weight of solvent, that is weight of solvent, and that is weight of water equal to, it is also known as a weight of solvent, that is capital W, equal to weight of solution minus weight of solute. 214.2 minus 34.2, then we got 180 gram. Now we put the values of numericals. Small w equal to, that is weight of solute equal to, here is some mistake, 34.2. okay, into 1000 divided by molecular weight of sucrose, that is sugar, 342, into weight of solvent, that is 180. On solving this we got the molality equal to 0.56, molarity equal to 0.56. Okay. Now second one is mole fraction of sugar in the solution. Okay, we know the mole fraction is defined as the moles, number of moles, the ratio of number of moles of a particular component to total number of moles of all the components present in the solution. So the mole fraction of sugar in the solution equal to mole fraction of sugar equal to number of moles of sugar divided by total number of moles of sugar. Total number of moles of sugar means that is moles of sugar plus moles of solvent water. Okay, now we calculate the first of all number of moles. Number of moles of sugar equal to weight. How we can calculate the number of moles? Weight of substance divided by molecular weight. Okay, here moles of sucrose or sugar equal to weight of sucrose or sugar equal to 34.2. Molecular weight of sucrose is 342 equal to 0.1. Similarly, number of moles of solvent, that is water. Weight of solvent in this question we have calculated already. Weight of solvent equal to 180. Molecular weight of water equal to 80. Then divided, we got the answer 10. Number of moles of water equal to 10. Now we calculate the mole fraction of sucrose. Mole fraction of sucrose equal to number of moles of sucrose divided by total number of moles which are present in solution, that is 10 plus 0.1. We got the answer 0.0099. Similarly, we can also calculate the mole fraction of water. Mole fraction of water equal to, that is we know X sugar plus mole fraction of water equal to 1. If we want to calculate the mole fraction of water, then we subtract 1 minus 0.0099 mole fraction of sugar. Next question is question number 2. 2 is the density of 3 molar solution of NaCl, that is sodium chloride, is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate the molality of solution. Calculate the molarity of the solution. Okay, now calculate the molality of the solution. In this question molarity is given, that is molarity equal to 3m. Density also given 1.25 gram per ml per milliliter. Now we calculate the molality of the solution. Okay, molality of the solution, first of all we calculate the mass of solvent, number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent. So first of all we calculate the number of moles of solute. 3m solution of NaCl means that is 3 moles are dissolved in 1 liter of solution. 3m solution means 3m solution means that is the 3 moles of sodium chloride, that is solute, are present in 1 liter of solution. That is molarity equal to 3, number of moles equal to 3. From here we can calculate the mass of NaCl. Mass of NaCl in 1 liter solution equal to molarity equal to W upon m dash into V, where W equal to mass of sodium chloride. Now mass of sodium chloride equal to m into m dash into V. where m equal to, that is molarity equal to 3, molar weight of sodium chloride is 58.5, V 1 liter, that is 1. Mass of sodium chloride equal to 175.5 gram. Next, now we want to calculate the weight of solvent. Okay, we calculate the weight of solute, that is NaCl equal to 175.5. now density of the solution is given in this question, 1.25 gram per milliliter. So mass of 1 liter of solution. Okay, now we calculate the mass of the solution equal to 1000 into 1.25. we know density equal to mass of on volume. Here mass equal to density into volume. Volume in 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter. Then mass of solution equal to D into V. D equal to density equal to 1.25 and volume equal to 1 liter, that is 1000 milliliter. On calculate we got 1250 gram. Now the mass of the 1 liter of solution equal to 1250 gram. Now we calculate the mass of the solvent from this. Mass of the solvent, that is water, in solution equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute, that is 1250 minus 175.5. we got 1074.5 gram. it is the weight of solvent in this question. Now we will put the formula. Molarity equal to weight of number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent or 1000 gram of solvent. The formula is molarity equal to number of moles of solute, that is NaCl, mass of solvent we have calculated previous, into 1000 because it is in gram, 3 into 1000 divided by 1074.5. we got the answer 2.79 m. M is the molarity. Now answer is 2.79 m. All the questions write down on your copy. Now next question is, calculate the volume of 0.015 m. Here m equal to molarity. 0.015 m HCl solution required to prepare 250 ml of a 5.25 into 10 power minus 3 m HCl solution. Okay, here is two solutions. Molarity of HCl is given in one solution, and the second solution also of HCl, in which volume and molarity both are given. That is, for solution first, m1 equal to 0.015, volume v1 equal to question mark, m2 in second solution, m2 equal to 5.25 into 10 power minus 3 m, and v2 equal to 250 ml. Like this question we used molarity equation. We have know what is the molarity equation, that is m1 b1 equal to m2 b2. m1 b1 equal to m2 v2. m1 v1 equal to m2 v2, that is initial and final, that is solution for first, this is solution for second. And m1 is given in this question 1.5, v1 calculate equal to m2 equal to 5.25 into 10 power minus 3, b2 equal to 250. From here b1 equal to 5.25 into 10 power minus 3 into 250 divided by m1 1.5. We got the answer 87.5 milliliter. That is the volume for 1.5 m molarity solution equal to 87.5 milliliter. Okay, next question is same question. 250 ml of 1.5 m solution of sulfuric acid is diluted by adding 5 liter of water. What is the molarity of the diluted solution? In this question, m1 equal to 1.5, b1 equal to 250 ml, m2 equal to question mark. What is the b2? b2 equal to 5 liter of water, that is final volume of the solution, that is volume of solute, that is volume of sulfuric acid 250 plus by adding 5 liter of water plus volume of the solvent. 5 liter means 5000. Now the total volume of the solution equal to 5250 ml. Now we apply molarity equation. m1 b1 equal to m2 b2. We repeat again. m1 equal to 1.5, b1 equal to 250 ml, m2 equal to question marks, b2 that is the total volume of the solution. Total volume of the solution equal to volume of the solute 250 plus volume of the solvent 5 liter, that is 5000 milliliter. We got 5250 milliliter. So the total volume of the solution equal to this. Now we apply the molarity equation. m1 b1 equal to m1 b1 equal to m2 b2. Okay, m1 equal to 1.5, b1 equal to 250 equal to m2 equal to, calculate m2 question mark into b2 5250 ml. Now from here m2 equal to 1.5 into 250 divided by 5250. Now we got the answer. Now answer is, on solving this, 0.0714. That is the molarity of the diluted solution equal to 0.0714. Now the molarity of the diluted solution equal to 0.0714. It is the answer. I hope you have understand. In next video we will started the next numericals which are remaining, which are based on normality, mass percentage and volume percentage. Thank you for watching my videos.